single point of contact. Between whom? Okay, service desk is, we can usually say, single point of contact. Between whom? Between a user means he is a our client, a person is getting a service from our company. Okay, to the between IT employees, or we can say a technical people. Okay. So different type of projects are there from different service providers are there. What is service provider? For example, who are the service provider? For example, Jio. Jio is a service provider, internet service provider, for example. Um, 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 if you take Airtel, Airtel is providing multiple services, internet services, WAN communications related services, or maybe we can say dish TV related services, right? So companies will provide a different type of services to some companies. So then the client got some issues when they got certain issue or maybe requirement or maybe they need some information, they have to contact, right? So they have to contact someone to get a result. For example, I'm working in a organization, Savantis organization. Okay. I need some application should be installed, or maybe my VPN should be configured, or maybe I'm unable to connect a VPN. What I have to do? I have to contact a person. I have to ask a person that he is able, who is can able to resolve my issue. But in a large organization, I don't know who is the exact person going to resolve my issue. So what I have to do? I use certain tools. Company use certain tools or softwares to make it easy for the technical person. And the person also working on these softwares is a service desk people. Okay, all roles are in a service desk kind of staff. Means there is a certain staff is in the service as a services role. They'll take care of. Some are related to network related. Some are applications related. Some are server related or cloud related. These staff people are there. Easy to approach them. So it is easy through a particular software or a particular person who is in between these two people. Okay, is nothing but a simple service desk person. Okay, so here it is the single point of contact between the client or a client to IT employees. If a client got an issue or some requirement, they have to approach the IT employee who can able to resolve their issues. But how it is? Simply it is in between them. So here one person is there, is a service desk. Okay, this service desk person need a knowledge of working with the different type of tools and need a good communication and as well as a technical basis. Depends upon what kind of support they are providing. Okay, small like anything, guys. Any want to add? Again, the user or a client. So I got an issue. So then, or maybe they need an information that need to go to the service desk. Service desk people understand what is the client requirement, what is the client issues. So they will either they will create a ticket or they will receive a ticket from the client. So what is this service desk people will do? They will investigate what is the issue the client is got it, what kind of solution we can able to suggest them, or maybe we have to send a person to resolve the client issues. Okay, so they will provide a support or escalate the issue to the other technical members. Either you support directly to the support. For example, I got an issue, for example, very simple, normal thing. So my Outlook is not working. I'm trying to send a mails, but it is no mails are sending and receiving. So this is the client complaint. So either through email or maybe ticketing softwares like help desk softwares or service desk softwares are there. Okay. Through the service desk software or maybe through the telephone. So they try to approach the service desk people. Service desk people understand. So what is happened? So the user is unable to send a mail or a receive a mail through his Outlook. So what are the primary concern we have to do it? So the complaint is like unable to send mail or receive a mail in Outlook. So this is the user complaint. He raised this issue. So I'm unable to send a mail or a receive a mail in my Outlook. So as a service desk, what we can able to do it is in somewhere location. We don't know exactly what happened. So we have to ask some questions. We have to walk through some questions. Are you getting internet or not? Without internet, he cannot able to send or receive a mail. Right? Simply, he's getting an email. So are you able, he is able to open a browser and he's can able to check the Gmail kind of stuff, mail or a normal mail or a kind of stuff. So his internet is working or not? If your internet is not working, so he cannot resolve the issues. So internet is working or not. If internet not working, so anyway he cannot able to receive or send a mail. So issue is not a Outlook, issue is internet. Second one is, so Outlook is unable to send a mail, internet is working. If internet is working, then what we can able to ask them? So uh, um, is what happened? Is a email ID is like the Outlook configuration is correct or not? Means for example, yesterday it is working, today it is not working. So it is configured 1 month back only. From 1 month it is working. Just today it is not working. So then we have to process like this. So just wait and we will find. So the separate team is there, like who is able to see the server related. Maybe his email is expired, or maybe your account is deleted, or maybe account is locked. In the server, we have to investigate. So it is will go to the separate team, or maybe if it is in your hand, you have to check it. So you have to check the user's email is ID status, whether it is still available or locked, or maybe disabled or removed. So anything is happened to email ID, or maybe he may change before that one. So better to check. He may change the password. So you log into through the web browser, and he may change the password. 1 second, guys. Classic. And Panlon. It's okay. Okay. Sorry, guys. It's okay. Okay. So like that. So you have to find a solution. So what happened? Kind of stuff it is happened to the customer and to try to find what is the cause of issues. What are all these things? What causing this issue? Find out the what cause of issues it is. We know the what is the issue, what causing the issues. Next is how to resolve it. So find the solution, exact solution if you know the cause. So how to resolve it. So then either you suggest a solution or maybe you may do solution from your side. Okay. Once solution is made, you have to do the preventive measures. So means what to do, what is the thing you have to do before. Again, it should not occur again. Before, what are the issues occur? So it should not occur again. So what are the suggestion you do to the customer, or maybe what are the things you have to do in your side? Okay, and finally you have to document it. So this is the what we have to do in general in a service desk. Just I given one example. Okay. Guys, understand? Okay. Are any questions? What happened? Sound? I'm unable to hear it from anybody.
Yeah, it's good as of
No,
now.
no
Yeah.
question.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So here it is. I set a ticket. I will explain this one again. So before that one, small points. I said about a ticket. What is this ticket? How many different types of tickets are there? It's a incident ticket, service request ticket, and alert ticket. Alert ticket. So incident ticket, incident, what is the incident? For example, I got a issue, some production losses occur. The server is down. So there is a 500 people are working on that particular server. So 500 people unable to work, cannot able to log in. It's a login server it is, like a Active Directory server it is. So people are trying to log in a particular session. So server is down, or they're unable to log in to their systems. Or maybe our website is down. So a lot of people are do purchasing through the website. So they can't able to do that one. Maybe my network is down. So there is 1,000 members are working. So all 1,000 members are unable to get it. So there is a production loss. Okay. So issues, they what are they're working, the work is stopped. What are their deployments are stopped. Okay. Instead, guys. Next one is service request. For example, user want to increase his bandwidth, or maybe you want some VPN connection, or maybe you want a Outlook access. Outlook should be installed and configured. So that is a kind of ticket is service request type of ticket it is. Another one is alert. What is an alert? Okay. So in generally, so for our entire infrastructure, so I have a building and 2 3 states of floors. I have employees working. Lot of switches, routers, systems are there. So I am continuously monitoring them. Or maybe there is a server room, servers are there. So there is a 20 servers are there, routers, switches, storage devices, firewalls are there. So what I will do, so I do put a monitoring system. What is the use of this monitoring system? It monitors entire my infrastructure, my servers, my routers, switches, firewalls, internet connectivities, everything it will monitor and put everything on the screen. It receive the information status of all these devices, I can simply watch checking from the monitor. So for example, there is a server, okay? One of the server is down. Suddenly it is stop working. Or maybe server, their utilization, resource utilization, CPU, RAM kind of utilization is increased very high. So 70%, 80% increased. Immediately this monitoring system create an alert. Event is generated, it will create a alert. This alerts is directly sent to the service desk. Okay, direct ticket will send. So this is an issue is occur in a particular place. Some storage device is down, or maybe some server is down, or network is disconnected for a particular devices, or a switch is down. So then five servers are unable to communicate. So the alert is generated immediately. That alert is sent to the service desk, or maybe a server is busy, or maybe disk is full. Then automatically that events will forward to the service desk. Sumit. Okay. So this is a alert ticket. So there is a basically three type of tickets. General in such general three type. So in companies maybe they differentiate a ticket manager, incident ticket, service request ticket, or and a alert ticket. Priority and impact. Priority and impact. Each ticket has a priority, guys. Each ticket is a has a priorities. So either the ticket management. So there is a person in the service desk called a ticket manager, or maybe people who are having an experience. When any incident is occurs, they got a incident report ticket, right? So incident related ticket they receive. So they have to decide what kind of priority it is. Either sometimes it is P3 ticket, but it is very serious ticket it is. Okay, so you have to increase the priority level, or maybe I will give you one example. Here it is. Yeah, before that one, so I will write the priority names. So usually this is a name convention for a priorities. Basically, 3 to 4 priorities are there. Usually, last one is low priority. This is medium. What I'm typing. That's medium priority, high priority. This is very high, or you can say some other names like urgent or critical. Okay. So low priorities, medium priority, high priority, and very high priority, urgent priority, high priority. Some people in some systems, some softwares, that is like they said it is a high priority. In some places it is urgent, some places it is critical, but all the meaning is same only. For example, here it is. There is a user is working on his laptop. Okay, user working on a laptop. Now laptop is not working. Suddenly it is stop working. So this is also incident. Not much, but it is incident. but generally it will go for a P4 or a P3 only. Okay, I'm working in my system. Nothing more, not much. Tomorrow morning I came and I start working on some document. Not much, not very highly important it is. So my system is stop working. Then what it is a kind of, I approach the service desk. I reach the service desk. What they said, it's a low priority. It is a low priority. Got it, guys? It's not working and not very important. Okay. 1 second, guys. Just I will shift to the other room. So no noise. Yeah. Guys, can you able to hear now clearly? I came to another separate room. I think it is now no noise, right? A new person. Okay, so here it is. There is a laptop. We got an issue. It's not working now. So, but not working, but not important. It is because it's not a production loss kind of stuff. Not very serious issue. Okay, so then we it will may consider low priority or some medium priority kind of stuff. If in case the laptop having a very important data, or maybe for example within the next 1 or 2 hours, it is a it belongs to some developer. Okay, some developer. So it is this important code is there, or maybe some financial documents are there. Maybe he has to send those things from his laptop. Nothing, nowhere it is stored. It is in his laptop only. Now he has to send that report. Maybe he's some analytical person. He analyzes some data and he has some report he immediately has to send. Otherwise, it's become a big problem for organization. So this is a seriousness. So normal laptop, normal user laptop, normal trainer laptop, it is different. Now it is the laptop will become a more serious issue than any other kind of, so even the server kind of stuff also. Then immediately the ticket is changed to P2, P1, P1, P2 kind of stuff. Means high priority or very high priorities. Okay. So this is depends upon the thing. So if it is raised as a lower priority or medium priority, you have to increase the priority. So understand the severity of an issue. You were speaking.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can continue. Okay, guys, understand the scenario. So what is the P1 and P2, where it is high and where it is lower? So a simple example, here I open a website here. It's a w3schools.com. Someone is providing the some web server from w3school.com. I'm getting this website. What the people will do with this one? So people simply they will read it and they will take a notes and they'll practice it, right? This is one server. Okay, so if in case server is down, I can't access, the client cannot access. Okay, but production loss means cost to the company may not affected much because of 1 hour of down or 2 hours of down in a particular time. But if in case you take, for example, this is a Gmail account, and maybe, for example, there is a business related, for example, make my trip. Okay, why it is so bad? It is okay. So a lot of people will access. They will purchase a ticket. They book a hotel kind of stuff. They plan traveling kind of stuff. Okay, this, for example, if this server is down, so huge amount loss for an organization, lot of customer complaints will increases. So it means it is not just a low level ticket, it is a very high level ticket. When service is down, so large number of customers, large number of production is affected. So then it is the priority increases. Very less impact on the customer base or a production related kind of stuff, then priority will be decreases. Anybody tell what is SLA?
Service level
Service level.
agreement.
Very great. So what is this service level agreement? So service provider and the client or a customer will agree on this particular SLAs. So it's what kind of service they are providing, and if what kind of support they are providing, what are the timelines defined. If you got this kind of issues, we will going to resolve. So completely the timelines, SLAs defined by the organization. When you are joined into the organization and in the service desk, so compulsory know what is their SLA and what is their priority levels, their timelines. For example, issue is occur. So already I told a laptop is not working, or maybe a Outlook is not working, or maybe a server is down, or maybe a website is not working. Okay, so our website, company website is down, so clients cannot able to access kind of stuff. Okay, so when you got an issue, so you got to respond. You have to respond. What are the already I told, when you receive a ticket from the client, or maybe it is a alert ticket, or incident, or a service request, whether it is P1 or P2, P3. So first of all, you have to open it, investigate what kind of issue, who got this issue, who raised the ticket, okay, what kind of issue, where it is occur, which location, which client basis, kind of stuff. So have to check, to investigate and respond to the client. Yes, we are going through this, your ticket. We are going to this, your issue. We are forwarding your issue. Or maybe, first of all, do like this, do this kind of stuff. So then it problem may resolve it. Or maybe what are your observations? Please send the screenshot of the issue. Like that, you have to respond first. Then next one is resolve. Resolving the issues. Issue should be resolved. So what are the issues occur? So what is the
guideline you give it to the customer, or maybe through remotely you're resolving it, or maybe from your side, or maybe your escalate and issue is be resolved. And finally, issue is be. So this response and resolve is our SLA. For example, you got a P1 ticket. Example, P1 ticket is occurred. So some production loss it is. Okay, production loss. You got a ticket, and you understand it is a high priority ticket. So you responded immediately within a 5 minutes. You responded, and your company guideline is given. If it is a P1 type of ticket, so you have to resolve it in a 30 minutes, for example. So it depends upon the company, guys. For example, as I said, Make My Trip is there. So a lot of people will access Make My Trip to book their tickets, flight tickets, or maybe hotel booking and all. So the company to the service who is supporting that Make My Trip company, so they will agree on this one. Any P1 ticket is occur, it should be resolved in 30 minutes or 15 minutes or 10 minutes kind of stuff. And so for example, another company, as I said, like a w3schools.com website is down. People cannot able to read the material. Of course, response time is 5 minutes. Yes, we are going through your request. The company will agree for SLA is maybe 1 hour because it's not more financial loss or maybe a company not going down for with that one. It's that's the kind of stuff. Depends upon the situation, depends upon kind of service. The service provider and client agree with a certain SLAs. So compulsory check it. The company may not with what kind of response time they are giving, what kind of resolve time they are giving, kind of stuff. For example, in a first example, like MakeMyTrip.com is there. So website is down, service is down, people cannot research. So you have to resolve it by 30 minutes. P2 is a high level. For example, particular part of service is not working. Maybe their storage is having some issues. You are maintaining their not application. It's like infrastructure of the web server. The particular storage is not working. Website is working now, but still the storage data, some storage issue is occur. It is down. Same thing. Ticket is rise. You have to respond in 5 minutes, but you will get more time to resolve it. For example, 2 hours. So you need to go and rush to the resolving, but still there is a time. If it is a high level priority, you got a little bit time. At very high level means very less time to resolve the issues. Just I'm giving some timeline does not mean it is always in the organization. Okay, depends upon organization, depends upon service what they are providing to the client, and seriousness of the issues. Also, the timelines varies. Okay, medium kind of stuff. For example, yeah, a switch is down. Only in an organization, 10 members cannot able to access the network. So it's not a production loss. Only 10 members not getting internet, so they will do some work. They will go for a tea, coffee, or maybe lunch today. Okay, so it is not exactly a production loss. Other people are not able to working, or on 10 members unable to access the network. So we'll take a day. So for example, 8 hours you can take. You can't decide. It's a company will decide the timelines. For example, very low level ticket. A user simply disconnected. He is unable to log in. His system is down. So maybe we'll take a 2 days to wait. Maybe this is we'll put 8 hours means 1 day. We have to take hours wise, like it may be a 24 hours. Maybe this is a 48 hours. Like some companies, it will take this one as 4 hours, for example. We'll change this one to 12 hours. Maybe this one is 24 hours. Depends upon the organization and the client support. So the response time plus total resolving time is required in the SLA, service level agreement. Escalate, hold, transfer. This is another few, what happened to this? Okay. Another, some terminologies are there. Escalating the ticket escalation. What is a ticket escalation? It is. So I got a ticket. So I got some issue. It is I can't able to resolve it. It is not in my level, or maybe I do not have a specific knowledge on it. So what I have to do? I have to escalate to the other team member. Okay, I'm in L1, but it is a L3 ticket. So it required some server knowledge, but I do not have a server side knowledge. I have only desktop level knowledge on it. So I cannot resolve it on my own. Or maybe I never seen that kind of issue. I didn't find anywhere the solution also. So what I will do, I will escalate to the other team or a other level. Okay. So that is escalation. Next one is transfer. Next one is transfer. What is the transmission of ticket? I'm working on one issue, so I got a lot of issues, a lot of running issues are there. 4, 5 tickets I'm working. I'm very busy with the working, so I'm completely packed. So I cannot. I got a new ticket. It is I cannot able to resolve it. So it's in my pipeline, but I cannot solve it now. Okay. So what I will do, ask my colleague. I will ask my colleague, and are you available now? If I got this particular ticket, can you able to resolve this one? Yes. Then I will transfer to that person. Okay. I will transfer to the person. I can resolve it, but still I do not have a time to solve that particular ticket. I am busy with another engagement, or maybe some another maintenance is came. So I have to attend that one. So I cannot work on this ticket. So what I will do, I will transfer it. So I will transfer this ticket to other person. So other person is responsible now. So he can able to handle the ticket. That is transferring the ticket. Next one is holding the ticket. Next one is holding the ticket. For example, there is a request is came. One user is asking for a VPN access. Okay, my client is asking a one in a client company. So a user is asking a VPN request. VPN access. So what I have done, I configured all VPN kind of stuff. But one thing is I have to ask my manager. So are my team leader or maybe from servers team. So this particular guy is requiring VPN connectivity. So can I give him or not? Or maybe can I share some password to him? His VPN password kind of stuff. Or maybe he has to allow in the server. So then only he can able to access it. Okay, or maybe he wants some resources. If some application has to be installed in his PC, whether we should people or not, or maybe I have to send some person to the client location, so then he can able to investigate physically and he can able to resolve the issues. So what I will do, so instead of spending a time and SLA violation, instead of going with the SLA violation, I can hold the ticket. Issue is I got it, but currently there is some pending is there. Okay, some pending is there, pending work is there. Okay, some pending work is there. Maybe I have to get a permission from some other team, or maybe some other team also involved to complete it. So within the SLA time, it may not be happens. Okay. So what happens? So I hold the ticket, or I put a ticket in the pending. So then once the middle kind of stuff is completed, so then I can release it, and okay, once what is issue is resolved, we can do it. What is this SLA violation? What is a SLA violation? Already I told SLA means within the given ticket time, so you have to resolve it. If you are unable to resolve issue or request, resolve ticket is simply say ticket contains all everything, right? Ticket within SLA guideline timeline, or it is decided by the guidelines, right? So within that timelines, you didn't resolve it. So you got a SLA violation. It is big problem for a person who is working there, and means the person, the team leader, the company also will get a big problem because the client don't agree with any SLA violations. More SLA violations. So either you will lose a job, that is okay, but company lost the customer. Okay. So more SLA violations is danger for the service provider companies, and as well as the person is working, and from the person it is okay, that is on the person only. If it is a team, that entire team, entire part will be affected. Okay, so it affects on the company, it's affect on the team, means the project manager, team leaders, the people working in the organization, will everybody will affect with this SLA violation. So instead of violating this SLAs, in case of anything is going forward, better to hold or put a pending and try to resolve it. Okay, anything guys, any questions, or do you understand or not? Are completely out of stock I'm speaking?
It's okay.
Yeah. Tell me now.
No, I said it's fine understanding it.
Okay. Okay. Here is a ticket status. What is this ticket status is? When ticket is occur, just occur. You didn't see that it's a ticket, just it is occur. It's a new ticket. Okay. Next one is open ticket. If you open the ticket, any user means any service desk person. So whenever new ticket is occur, you have to see the ticket. You have to open the ticket and you have to respond the ticket, right? So you open the ticket. Okay. Or maybe you hold, put a ticket hold. Now it is, you have to put a hold or a pending, or a waiting for some confirmation. Then what you will do, you waiting for some confirmation, you hold the ticket and you will write waiting for a confirmation. You escalate the ticket, or maybe you send a request for the ticket. What you do, you are waiting for some confirmation, or maybe some information from the particular team. So what you do, so you will hold the ticket. Okay. Next one is resolve. Ticket is resolved. So issue is resolved. The client is saying, yes, my issue is resolved now. Then you say it is resolved ticket. And after resolving ticket, you may require to do some work. Okay. You may have to do certain work kind of stuff. For example, some preparation of documents or some preventive measures. You have to do it. So then again, it issues won't occur. Okay. So then you resolve ticket. Issue is resolved. So no firebacks, anything. So it's completed. So then you will close the ticket. Okay. So new ticket is there. So it is fresh ticket. So whenever you open the ticket status, change it to open ticket. So whenever you are trying to resolve it, so once it is resolved, so then it is ticket is resolved. Yeah, video. Okay. Whenever issue is resolved, then you can say it is resolved, and finally the customer feedback, everything is done, the ticket is closed. Once it is closed, again issues occur if in case it is again new ticket on. Okay. So these are the few things about a ticket management. I will show you how the ticket will rise and how to see the ticket and what is the status. Actually, I built myself for mine for some basic L1, L0 classes. So I created some ticketing kind of stuff. So I will show you that screen here. So this is a voice ticketing software. There are a lot of ticketing softwares are available in a market. So in different organizations uses different softwares. Of course, currently it is ServiceNow is more attractive kind of stuff. ServiceNow, Jira, Zoho, Zendesk. Okay, different ticketing softwares are there. BMC. Helix. Earlier name is BMC Remedy. Now it is a Helix ITSM. BMC company's ITSM software it is. Not only this, so many are there, including some low level are there, GLPA, OS ticket. OS ticket specifically, it is a open source ticketing software. So no need to worry about a licensing kind of stuff. ServiceNow, it's a completely software as a service type, means cloud-based one only. Jira both cloud-based and on-premises is also there. Okay, so not only this, there are so many other ticketing softwares also available in the market. So I'm using this OS ticket. So I installed in my personal virtual machine. So here the actual software is running in this machine. Okay, so I log in here. Oh, it's I logged out also. Yeah, so time's up. That's it. So here it is. I'm tracking ticket activities, how many tickets created, edited, overview, assigned kind of stuff. Okay, different departments. In organization, we have a different support department, maintenance departments are there. Okay, different topics. It's a predefined topics. You can add more topics as per a requirement, like is a issue reporting, or maybe it's a general query, or maybe it is a access related. Okay, or maybe incident report. Like the names are different, but thing is same. So people who are working, service desk persons who are working here, so their list also it is here. Depends upon your software guys, the environment changes. The process not changes. Environment, the options, kind of stuff, things may be little different. So I have an agent directory. Currently, 2 agents are added here. So this is won't work anyway. This is will work. This is my account. It is so. What is my account kind of stuff? And this is user directory, my client's directory it is. So some are guests, some are kind of stuff. So we can add those things. Either like for example, I'm supporting an organization. So in organization, so those employees, I will add into that project. So I will create one. This is an organization. I'm supporting this organization employees, their contact information and everything. So I can easily understand from whenever I got a issue from a particular person. So I can easily understand from where I'm getting. Okay. So I didn't, we didn't design more thing kind of stuff here. So it's in on the way. No open tickets. All are open tickets. This is the tickets. So far tickets occur. So if you see, this is fresh look like, but it is a little lesser bold. Means it is already open ticket. It is. So here is I got a ticket from a user. It's a open ticket. The priority is normal. And from which user I got it, what is his contact back kind of stuff. How he is approach it to the service desk through the web only. Okay, either he can send through the email or maybe he will send through the some other softwares or a telephone kind of stuff. So web kind of stuff. Different departments, what kind of department it is. And assigned to whom it is assigned. So this ticket is assigned to a, so here is ERP Latif kind of stuff. Okay. What kind of SLA plan? I didn't design any SLA plan here. So it is showing some default SLA plan. Help topic is report a problem. He raised a ticket in the report a problem, not a access related, not a just information related. Apps keep not responding. Issue is app keep not responding, and there is a some information also shared. So regarding the issue from the user or client. So I've given a certain suggestion. So immediate my response is when ticket is occurred, immediately I given a response, please restart your computer. And then after some time, is it a issue is resolved for you or not? Once you say okay, then what I will do? So it is a open ticket become solved ticket. Or I will close the ticket. So then no need of further investigation. Then I will go to the closed ticket. It is currently it is a open ticket. Or maybe this issue is not resolved. Maybe I have to give some more information. Then I will type if it is not working, right? So what I will do, so uninstall application not functioning properly. What we will do? So you can do suggestions. One is, for example, go to the control panel. Okay, in the control panel, go to program files, programs and features kind of stuff. So this, I'm also along with this one, guys. I also try to say how to solve the issues. Go to control panel, application not responding properly. So programs and features, right? And you can see the different programs. For example, my Firefox is not working, or maybe I need some proper application. Yeah, some 7-zip edition is got updated. For example, this application is not working. So when I click it, you can able to see uninstall, change or repair. From here, select your application and click on that repair kind of stuff. Okay. Select application and click change or repair. Essence is this solution. So if it is not working again, if not working, what to do? If not working, then what to do? Again, same control panel. So I said it is uninstall application, or usually you will take remote. Okay. Okay. You will take a remote also. So I'm telling some troubleshooting tips also now. So then it will cover that point. Okay. So go to control panel, programs and features, select an application, click uninstall. Once uninstall, restart your PC. Always it is suggestion is restart your PC, then try Before doing that one, guys, make sure the client has an application in his system, in his system. Okay. So try install again. Okay. Of course, there is some any other issues also. There can be like a service related restarting a service related to the application, or maybe registry kind of issues can be there. So simple suggestion. I'm giving one suggestion, or maybe I will take remotely and I will do that kind of stuff if possible. So what is this? Issue is not resolved. I find something, and then I told the customer, okay, it is not always. It's a chat support is different, remote supporting is different. Now it is, I send a posted a reply to this particular user. My user will get it. How he can know it? Two ways. One is either he will check the ticket status. Okay, he will go to the check the ticket status. You put his email ID and the ticket number. Okay, and he will able to access. Or I configured a email support also using Gmail integration. So I'll get like this. See this. I got a reply from the service desk support. From support, I got a reply for this issue. Go to the control panel, programs and features, select application and repair. I will try this one first. Not working, I'll try this one. If it is working, so then I will send yes, my issue is resolved kind of stuff. Can we reply or not? We will see. Yes. Issue is resolved. Now, thanks. So this is from client side. Okay, client got a solution. Now issue is resolved, and he given a reply to me. Okay, to the support. So I will get either I will check it again at my place. Tickets. So I didn't get here, so it may take time. Meanwhile, I will make it to my email. So I will check it. So it will take, yeah. So I'm an admin, right? So I got this one. So I told the solution. So yes, issue is resolved now. So as a service desk person, I got it from the client. So issue is resolved. So sometimes it will show here. It is not showing, not completely resolved. So issue is resolved. Finally, we'll get it. Unable to get it. Okay. So if it is solved, so then I put a solved. Otherwise, I will close it. So it is not. Why it is unable to post a reply currently in error below. Try again. Okay. Recipient. I didn't say type a message. I have to type a message. So we'll see. This is the one only. Yeah. Okay. So we can close ticket. Once it is done, I will show you how to. Yeah. Post successfully. So can you see the system slow kind of stuff not showing here because it's not a open ticket, it is a closed ticket. You can see that it is closed ticket. Am I get any mails from here? Nothing. Here, nothing. It is no mails, but it is a closed ticket. So knowledge. Still, I have a 3 open tickets are there, not even a unanswered it is. And also you can see the priority level of a ticket. You can change the priority level also. And we can assign to the ticket also, guys. Yeah, up to here, understand? So whenever the ticket is raised, so how to communicate and how to give reply, how to close the ticket. Anyone, please? Yes, my problem, my screen. Okay. Karthik is given thumbs up, but others not responding. If in case, guys, if I am missing something, also please speak up. So there is a ticket occurred. So for example, internet is not working. So you received a ticket, internet not working. So yeah, it is open now. Internet is down since 1 p.m. Since 1 p.m. it is not working. So open ticket, normal. I didn't respond to anything to this client. It is came from the user called Madhu. Okay, report is issued. It's a maintenance department. So I will give you a response. Initial response it is okay. So I'm giving. So wait. Let me check. So internet is not working. Internet is not working. So we can say like a, so there's several options are there. No? For example, maybe the power connectivity is there or not in a home. So do you have a power connectivity, or maybe what kind of internet symbol there are looking at, or maybe check their DNS address or network connectivity kind of stuff. For example, if it is a home kind of stuff, if an organization is different and a home, it is little different. So if it is a home, okay, think like it is a home. So check Wi-Fi LED status. Okay, what is the LEDs? Power LED. Check the power LED. Next one is Wi-Fi LED. So Wi-Fi related LED is also there, right? Next is internet LED. There is internet LED is also there. For example, it is a DSL type of modem. DSL, ADSL modem. There is a globe symbol, and then DSL symbol is also there. This LED is there or not? Okay. Next, on the PC, on your laptop, for example, tell me the trend screenshot of network connection. For example, my side I didn't connect it. So my side is disconnected. Maybe my side is showing it is connected, but not internet is not working. Right? So we have to give suggestions. So either orally or telling, or maybe through call, chat kind of stuff. So find out what is the issue and then the solution. So I'm trying to tell, including some solutions also. Okay. So I send a poster reply. So still open ticket. So I don't understand exactly a kind of stuff. So better I will get a thing. So this I posted solution. Of course, this guy, this is the mail ID is example.com, not a Gmail ID. so we cannot get it. Okay. So finally, of course, he posted a ticket. So this network connection is showing a disconnection type. So what I will do. So not last message, can response. I said it is, I received a screenshot. Okay, so then what I will do, so I will check, select network. Icon. So then type select your Wi-Fi SSID means your Wi-Fi name, and then type Wi-Fi password. Select okay. Select connect and confirm the internet is working on. So I given another solution. So after I received a connection. So what I have said, so click on the network icon, see whose connectivity it is, click on it. So see, click connect and give the password. So I given reversely. Okay. Of course, select click connect and give the password confirmation. Then you active. So understand exactly the step-by-step process. So I given by Rush, I told select Wi-Fi name and then password. No. So select Wi-Fi name, connect and give the password and then click on connect, confirm. So then click OK, then automatically it will connect. If it is connect, the icon will be changes. So then and check with some Gmail account and all. So you will get it. Okay. So give the proper step-by-step solution. So then customer will understand how to do it. Or he can take remotely if possible, then he can also send it. Yeah. Still it is a open ticket. Issue is not at resolved. Okay. Yeah. Understand guys, how to raise the ticket also I will tell. So simple, already it is open. So this is support center. So users, if I give an user accounts for them, so they will sign in, they will raise the ticket. Okay. Or otherwise, they can able to create a ticket from here also, new ticket. So same, I'm using same stuff only. Yeah, like if yeah, they can give phone number also, like 1, 2, 3, 4 phone number. Which topic is this? It is an access related issue. Is the problem in access? Unable to connect VPN. Okay. I try to connect. So it's a client side complaint. I try to connect with VPN. Okay. So I'm unable to connect. I am since morning or since yesterday. I am unable to connect with VPN. Okay, VPN. And what kind of error it is showing? So that is I have to send through the some screenshot, right? So I'm able to connect to the VPN and it's showing error as in screenshot. So I can send a file from here, or I will send a image from here. Choose upload kind of stuff. I will put some picture in that one. Any picture for our understanding. Okay, some picture and create a ticket. So client created ticket. It will take time. Okay, so and a client got a immediate reply from the ticketing system. So thank you for contacting. A support ticket request has been created, and representative will be back to you shortly if necessary. Okay, and maybe you may receive the kind of stuff to you, and also okay, there is no ticket number is not there, so no. Now here, this is our dashboard. Any new ticket is came. So we'll see the tickets. Unable to connect it to the VPN. So and automatic priority level is there, high level priority. So because the system is detecting what kind of priority it is. Now, so you want to assign this ticket to a specific user. So also you can assign to this one. So like click assign to the particular team, means the server team is there or maybe network team. So those team working on VPN things. You want to send to the team, so they will decide which agent they will access. Or you know the agent, you are a service desk person. Okay, you know the agent to want to assign to the particular agent also you can assign. Or you want to take it yourself. You know the how to resolve that issue, so you can claim yours. Okay. Team means a specific team for this specific kind of issues. You directly send it like a server supporting team, network related team, okay, application related team, different email related team is there, firewall related, security related team is there. So you have that team, then you can forward to team within the team, which agent is available. So automatically it will click on a team, so it will ask which team it is. The agents are showing, but a team is not created here. So only maintenance team is there. Okay. Or you click on agent, so which agent you want to assign. So select an agent, give some referral and click on assign. So a ticket will be assigned to that person. You can climb, so you can take the ticket yourself and then you can try to solve it. This is a stand status. You can open the ticket, you can close the ticket. I will increase the size. You can see open ticket, still it is a kind of open ticket only. And is it solved? So ticket is raised. Meanwhile, issue is resolved, and then you can directly you can put it solved or a closed ticket. You can merge the ticket. So multiple tickets are there. User is complaining, internet not working, VPN not working. So two tickets are there. Both are almost one kind of solution only. So then you can merge the tickets also. Okay. So you can select add the tickets and combine the tickets. This is a linking the ticket. This is transfer. I don't know what is the transferring ticket. So I'm currently busy. I'm about to log out. I cannot handle this ticket now. So what I will do, I'm already work with another one. So what I will do, I will transfer to other person who is available to me. Before that one, you have to discuss that guy. I'm sending a ticket. I'm transferring a ticket. If you are available, so please go through that one. So if you are okay, so I will transfer to you. So then click on the transfer the ticket and select which department or which agent you are doing. So then transfer to the ticket. And deleting. So you can delete the ticket also, but that is not suggestible. Generally can't delete the ticket. Only the administrator can able to delete it. I'm also administrator, so I can delete it. What tickets are assigned to me? Assigned to team. Okay. How many tickets are there? So open tickets are 3. Answered is 2. Overdue means so more than given time it is overdue it is. How many closed tickets? Today, yesterday, this week, this month, complete status is there. You can create a ticket. So for example, someone to the service desk, call directly and they raise an issues. What we do? You can click on the new ticket. Okay, you have to give user information, what user information it is, give the user information, and then give the other kind of stuff also. Sample I will try. We have a Neha is there, so simple name. That's why I take a Neha name. Okay, email address. I'll put some example.com. Full name is Neha Jaiswal. Okay, I'm not giving original kind of stuff, just names only, phone number. Internal notes, we kind of stuff. Um, uh, what can say? General issues, app crashing. I told um, system, yeah, BS body. Okay, so BS body, blue screen of death error. Okay, blue screen of death. So I'm adding a user also like this. Invalid phone number. I need a valid phone number. Okay, so now user CC contacts are there, so add a new one. So ticket is alert all or alert to the user kind of stuff. Sources, I got a telephone call, so then I put a phone or an email or other resources. You know, when I got some issues, I'll go to my service desk directly. Okay, I don't need any software. So I'll go to the service desk person, I got this issue, please resolve it. So then it is direct kind of stuff. Help the topic. So it is it's a reporting an issue. It is which department it is again maintenance department or a support department. So SLA. So default I already I told. So SLA plans are not defined in my system. So it is not. Default SLA 18 hours active. So like I can select. If I define, so what kind of SLA? Due date. It should be resolved by we got it. What is this date time? Yeah, so 1 second. Today is 16, right? So by tomorrow it should be resolved by tomorrow. Okay. Assigned to whom I am assigning. For example, I am assigning to this EAGRP. I'm creating ticket. So issue summary. So what is issue summary? BSOD. Okay. So system keep restarting. With BSOD. Okay. Priority level. So you can define the priority. You can based on that issue also you can define the priority. So emergency kind of stuff, normal priority or high priority kind of stuff. You have some screenshot is shared by the user also. You can add that screenshot here. Yeah, 1 second. Yeah, we have a VSOD ready available. VSOD is there. I will add that screenshot also. Okay. Yeah, it's a can respond variable select as can. ticket status is open and you want to give internal, investigate for internally. And open. Unable to create contact, correct the error below. So I given this one. Issue details are there. So here it is how tickets are be created either from directly from help so given from the service provider. So the client will raise the issue, automatically ticket will be created. Or maybe the service desk guy, so when he received either means of email or maybe the direct contact or telephone contact, he can also create a ticket. Once ticket is created, it will be assigned to a team or a member user, means IT employee. So he has to open and investigate what ticket is it is, whom it is, and what kind of issue it is. Any further clarification, either you have to call back through email. Yeah, ticket is created successfully. So I need some more information. I have to ask Neha either through email or a phone number or maybe through the same chat support. So there I will put a message here. So please tell me what kind of issue, what did you install any software or a hardware kind of stuff. So then how to solve this kind of stuff. Okay. Or we have to send some links to solve it or maybe some screenshot to solve it. So then it will guide the user or maybe through remotely either we have to send a person to solve it. If user got a BSOD, so we cannot solve it, right? So we cannot take a system remotely. Either we have to guide them or maybe you have to send a person to solve it. Okay, so like that, a simple kind of stuff. You can get it. Solution I will tell, but before that one, guys, I want to confirm. Okay. So the screenshot I shared, it is also showing. I posted, so I can able to see critical process there 25% completed. Kind of stuff. So this is the ticket. It is. I received through telephone call, so I created a ticket. Anything? Anybody? Just. Okay, can I have that is some charging issue? Okay, no problem. Neha. Okay, so I will send the information through email. So maybe at night once I reach my home, so I will send a document and the recording video, so you can go through it. Okay, if anybody missed also starting or ending, you can do it. Anything else, guys? So understand how the ticket process is happening. The
No,
new
sir.
ticket is okay. So I have shared some thing now. So like, yeah, new ticket is
Oh,
good.
Latif,
Yeah,
hello.
tell me.
Yeah, we haven't received the email for yesterday's class also. I mean, yesterday's whatever it was. I haven't received
Yesterday,
any.
yesterday Sai
Yes,
sir class, Sai Prasad sir class.
yes. I think
Okay.
Shaik. Okay.
I will ask him. I will
Yes.
ask him, so he will share it. Okay.
Yeah, sure, sure. Thank you.
So mine is simple, like this is my day before yesterday classes. I have taken for some hardware troubleshooting. This one also I will share, and I will share some service desk related 2 more videos are there, so you can also go through it. Okay. Yeah.
Everything is on your on your YouTube link, right?
But you can't access directly because some are unlisted. So I have to share a few things from a link. Some are directly we can access. Some are in a public so that we can access. You have any information regarding installations or maybe troubleshooting related, setup related kind of stuff, you can go through it. Networking
Perfect.
topics also there.
Thank you. Thank you. Just share it. That would be good.
So these were purely personal classes, no? That's why I put a unlisted one.
Yeah, I can understand that.
So this one is for this from here. What happened? Some are having a chat box, some are unable to access from chat box. This is my yesterday hardware related class. It is not yesterday, the day before yesterday. It is okay. So this is about a service desk ticketing part, guys. Okay, so now here it is. What I said, what issue we got it is issue we got it BSOD. Example, we got a issue BSOD. What to do BSOD? We got an issue BSOD issue. What to do? And why BSOD occurs? It's the most common thing, but it is in earlier it is very serious issue. Now was a serious issue, but the BSOD issue is earlier it is very serious issue. Because it's that's why they call it death, blue screen of death. Okay, so when issues occur, it is dead only. But a lot of people don't understand why it is occur. So simply they will scare when they see the BS. Right? Your system having a mainly hardware, then operating system, and on top of hardware again on operating system you have a applications. You have a hardware, means you have a CPU, RAM, and of course hard disk, and then motherboard. This is your hardware part. Not only this, you have so many other things in your system. For example, network, USB ports, graphic cards. Okay, so a lot of internal components are there on your motherboard. And what is the use of this operating system? What OS will do? OS is software, right? OS is a software. Without operating system, you cannot interact with your hardware. So in the operating system, there is one thing called it is a kernel. And a part of operating system is called a kernel. What is the duty of this kernel? Kernel will interact with your hardware and how to run this particular process. How to play audio. You play audio in a MP3 player, means like a VLC player. You open a VLC player, you play one video. So you can able to see the video, but you need to get a audio kind of stuff. Means audio chip has to be work. But your operating system don't know where is audio chip and how to work with the audio chip. So what it will tell, so your VLC player don't know about your audio chip kind of stuff. It know how to play it plays video and audio, but it through operating system using this kernel that audio chip works. Okay, so audio chip don't know what is the program it is running. So what are the playing you are doing? It has to go to audio chip. Audio chip will process audio code and then it will give it to the speakers. You can able to hear. Okay, so which one will support? This one is kernel. Kernel understand your CPU, RAM, process, hardware connection, hard disk connection, SSD connection, motherboard components, USB ports, everything will be communicated through this kernel program. But by default, your operating system does not contain every kernel hardware related kernel program. So that's why we are adding a drivers. So for example, I purchase a printer. So I cannot able to take a printout directly. So why? Because of I do not have a specific drivers to communicate with the printer. Understand, guys? I have a printer. So I want to take a print and I want to first of all I have to connect it. I connected a printer and now I'm taking a printout. Now it won't work. Why? Because of your system don't understand how to communicate with the printer. So what you have to do? You have to install the printer drivers in your PC. You have to install printer drivers in your PC. So through that printer drivers, they can able to communicate it to your printer. So understand kernel is a part of our operating system which operates our hardware communication between your application operating system to your hardware is kernel. Not every kernel we can get it. Every hardware part cannot be understood by your default kernel. So then for supporting it, we needed drivers. Okay. For example, you purchase a new computer and you install operating system. Now you want to play a song. It's not working. So what is missing? Audio driver service. You connected a backside um, uh, LAN cable is there, no? So you connected a LAN cable and you connected to your switch router kind of stuff. And you are not getting anything. Your LAN is not sensing anything. Means the LAN port, the LAN card related drivers are missing. Okay. So RJ45 port is there, no? So LAN card internally, Ethernet card, that drivers are missing. Drivers are not there means your operating system do not understand how to work with this particular LAN Ethernet card, LAN card or Ethernet card. So it cannot able to communicate. So drivers are very important in your system. So with the drivers only we can able to communicate it to the different type of hardware. So each hardware having a set of drivers, okay, which may communicate between your operating system to your operating system or an application to the particular hardware device. Either it is a printer or a scanner, or it can be a LAN card or maybe internal audio chip or a video chip. Video cards are there, no graphic cards. So these are required drivers. Find understand, guys? Drivers part. What is this? So many messages. Okay, no problem, no problem. So Karthik has to leave to office. No problem. No problem, Karthik. Okay.
Thank
Yeah.
you, Latif.
Okay. Now. So guys, everybody others understand the use of drivers.
Yes.
I am playing a game. So my game is required to run in the graphic card. Game is an application. Graphic card is a hardware part. So to communicate between them, we need a graphics driver. Okay. So here it is a point why we are getting a BSOD, blue screen of death. So system will understand these hardware devices and communicate with some unique IDs. Okay, called IRQ, interrupt request queuing, IO memory addressing, and with some memory allocations for devices. Sometimes there is a conflict occurs. For example, two people having same name. So we have a last batch is Aman, both are Aman. Amit, Shubham. So which one is exactly? Okay. So name confusion, numbering confusions. So both are having same kind of unique address. Then it is confusion. So for example, I have a phone number, and maybe Sai Prasad are also having same phone number. So which one you have to contact? It will generate a conflict. So this conflict may occur because of this application, or maybe because of the drivers, maybe because of the devices. Conflict will occur. This is one of the reason. So when the conflict is occur, your operating system means your Windows operating system throws BSOD, blue screen of death. Blue screen of death. Okay, throw blue screen. This blue screen of death is differently shows in a different operating system. BSOD. In Windows 7, for example, currently no one is using a Windows 7, but still shown. So Windows XP and 7 show the BSOD like this. Whenever the BSOD occurs, compulsory read what it is saying. Page fault in a non-paged area. It is either a RAM related or maybe virtual RAM related. Page fault in a non-paged. Page means it is a memory related RAM or virtual RAM related. Non-paged area means virtual RAM related. And it is also showing some stop code. You type the stop code into the Google and you find Microsoft suggestions also. Why this is a error? You got it. What is the solution? Like this, stop error and a thread stuck in the device driver. So it is a device driver related. Okay. Memory management. So again, it is RAM related issue. It is memory management, RAM related. If you have a two RAMs in a system installed, one RAM is faulty, means not much compatible kind of stuff, but incompatibility between RAMs is there. Bad system configuration info. So it is also a memory related issue. It is then you have to say so BIOS kind of stuff. It is internal power error. See it is. You can see what is the issue from there and also from the this stop code also. You have to Google the stop code, so then you will get the what is the issue and how to resolve the issue. This is in a Windows 8 and 10, this kind of issues it will shows. And this is critical process died. Okay. So I will go to that Windows 10 BSOD. So in a BSOD, you can see the bottom. So driver is something not less or equal something it is showing. Okay. So here also in the bottom, what is an issue? It will highlight the page fault in non-paged area. This one. Okay, each issue is not always the same solution, but you have to understand why you got a BSOD, blue screen of death. Then you have to search properly where the solution. But common thing is when you got a BSOD, mostly it is first important is hardware. It is related to hardware, or kernel means operating system, kernel, or drivers related. It is a possible that it is drivers related, and finally application related. It is a possible that some applications having a hardware based interactions are there. So certain kind of applications also causing these issues. Understand guys why we are getting a BSOD, where the locations are there. Anyone? Okay. Anyone? Komal, Sumit, Guhan, Ranga Gayatri, Senthil Kumar, Senthil Kumar. Okay, I will complete and we can leave. Okay, so already 6 o'clock. Because it's one of the most common issues, so you have to understand. Not common issue, it is. Now, guys, at the time of Windows 7 and Windows XP, it is a very big worry because you must, we have to try all the things. Final solution is you have to clean up the system. You have to reinstall the operating system in case. Windows 8 is another hand. It is we can get some repairing options, but still not much. But Windows 10 onwards, Windows 10 and 11, system is trying to repair itself. Okay, whether it is XP 7, 8, first thing is, what is the thing you have to do? You got a BSOD. Your system shows restart. Restart. Okay, so it will be restart after collecting information. So where it is, I closed it now, so no problem. It collect your information. So why this BSOD occurs like that? It wait for some time and then system will restart. At the time of restart, you try to solve it itself. Okay, issue may be resolved itself. So first time you got a BSOD, no need to worry, just wait, let it restart, and then once it is restarted, issue may resolve. Issue may resolve because any conflicts is occur, it try to resolve itself at the time of first restart. But if it is a continuous restart, 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 you got a BSOD, restart, again BSOD, restart, again BSOD, restart. So this time, so you have to take a phone and take a picture of your BSOD. Take a picture of BSOD and read what it is saying. Okay, so then based on that also we can able to solve it. Here's some questions and then solutions in that question is there. If you install new hardware, you add a new hardware, after that you got a BSOD, it means your hardware causing an issue. All of a sudden you don't get a BSOD. You're working yesterday good, now today also good, suddenly you won't get a BSOD. Something it has happened to your system which is causing these conflicts and you are getting this. Okay. Second one is maybe you are installing new drivers. Maybe install some applications. Maybe it is caused because of some updates happen to your application kind of stuff. Okay, so this is possibility things are there. Install a new hardware, now you got a risk of death. And maybe you change something in your BIOS settings. You done some, you have old system and you change some settings in your BIOS settings. After BIOS settings you change, you got a BSOD. Okay, so possibilities there. So whatever you have done, so then you got a BSOD, you have to revert it. So you install a new hardware, you got a BSOD, uninstall the hardware. You install a new drivers or update the drivers. So you got an issue, then remove it. Okay, you install a new application. After application, because of some options in the application or while running that particular application, you are getting a BSOD. Sometimes you run some applications or games, you got a BSOD. So this application causing this BSOD because some applications interact directly with your hardware. Okay, direct some kernel changes will happen. Okay, some hardware related issues will occur. Do it. Sometimes it is updates are happen. Like yesterday you got system updated, now you got a BSOD. Okay, so whatever it is issue is happened, you have to revert it. So one is solution is reverting. Whatever the last action you have done, you can revert. So connecting, disconnecting, reverting is good, but sometimes it is not happen. You may require to go to the safe mode to do it. Reversion for removing applications or drivers kind of stuff, you may require to go to safe mode. One more solution is system restoration. Restore your system, so then you may solve it. So I got one issue that is one of my student. It's not now 5-6 years back with my old laptop. So my student actually which is the 2 days back class only. Last, I think not to 2 days, so 1 week back class. I have told how to resolve the BSOD. When I got a BSOD in my laptop, he resolved it. Okay, simply he uses system restoration. Restore. Okay, and one more is in a Windows 10 we have a reset option. You can use this reset option if your system is got severe problem like application related issues, drivers related issues. You open some document, it open in a different way. Okay, some serious issues are there, so you can also use the reset option. The reset option is simply in the your settings, update and security, and recovery. So this is a reset option. If you click on start, and then you will get a two options: keep my files, remove everything. Keep my files, your personal files in documents, desktop, and downloads, pictures. Those files will be like that only. It won't be removed. But your application settings, your operating system will be removed. Okay. So there's several options to solve it. So anyone is going to suggest what kind of solution we can give it to the client? We send this one, critical process data. Let system restart. No, that is won't work here. I am giving because of the clients investigate issues all and system keep restarting with the BSOD. System keep restarting, not one time, multiple times. So solution is we don't say let system restarts. We will say so please inform or please tell us did you install anything new just before BSOD occurs, like applications or maybe a drivers or maybe any updates are happened, not a drivers. Okay, or it can be any hardware kind of stuff. Okay, so did you install anything before it? If then try to uninstall or remove. Okay, by suggestions we can do it, but by typing, so you have to send a person or maybe you have to guide through the columns only. Okay, but I'm just for our understanding, I'm typing it. Okay, if you try to install or remove, if anything you have done. Next one is you can use reset your PC, right? If nothing works. Okay, so simply I'm posting this solution. Okay, so that is of course assigned to Latif yes ERP. Okay, now so I given a solution. Okay, guys, anything understand about the process issues and all? Yeah, if you want to see anything, it's my name. Okay, now tell me, you can tell. So this is a ending part. No one is talking, guys. So you have to speak.
No question.
You need out, or do you understand at least? I'm
Yes, sir,
asking
everything's
understanding
clear.
on it.
Yes, everything's clear, sir.
Yes, yes,
Okay,
it is perfectly fine.
fine. Okay, good. So that's for now. So for tomorrow, I will ask Sai sir and when the session we will conduct about some hardware tips and networking related. Okay. Yeah, Guhan.
All right, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, and
Sir, I have one question.
Yeah, tell me common.
Sir, is the client going to ask about this ticket for the next round?
Second round, they will call you directly HCL. We are not. I'm not exactly now. Okay. So maybe they will call you
Okay,
tomorrow day. So
okay, sir.
be
Thank
prepared
you.
well. Mainly three things. One is like about a service desk. What is the ticket? What is service desk? What is ticket? How you proceed with the client kind of stuff. About the operating system and basic hardware kind of stuff. Basic issues, network issues. Depends upon your uh, experience, past experience. They will ask. So find out
Okay,
some
sir.
questions and answers. And there is one beautiful website. And if you there are a lot of websites are there. Find out troubleshooting questions kind of stuff. Theoretical questions you can find interview questions. Vishnu Prasad. So where is this? Yeah, this is the Vishnu Prasad kind of stuff. Not exactly this. This is copied from this is the website actually.
Okay.
It is original site is this one only. This is the Google site actually. When I have created my own Google site, the site is not found. I think he removed it. It's not required to remove. So these are all interview questions by Vishnu Prasad. Actually.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. It's not available now. Okay. Completed. వెళ్ళినారు బయటకు వచ్చాను
ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు
మొత్తం ఓకే చెప్ ఓకే దట్స్ ఇట్ ఫర్ టుడే ఓకే సో విల్ ఇన్ఫార్మ్ అబౌట్ a further class further meeting. Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, Kamal, Ruhan, and
Thank you, sir.